The Dow is down 101 points. Greetings, my name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, May 14th, 2014. And the markets do in fact go bearish. We have the S&P down 0.5%, Dow down 0.6%, NASDAQ down 0.7% with small caps dropping the most, down 1.61% in the red. Banks off a whopping 2.12%. Gang, that is a big drop in financials. Really taking the legs out of the markets. VIX, though, only slightly higher. The fear indicator, just a slight tick to the upside. Gold almost up a solid 1%. Silver up 1.23%. And we have crude oil up 0.4% with a slight decrease in the US dollar. We have here transportation index down 0.9%. And our defensive sector, utilities, up 0.4%. Taking a look here at the S&P 500, we're in a rising wedge. You'll notice that I made some changes with some different lines, and you can actually make the same changes if you would like. And rising wedge, bearish divergence on the MACD. We're at a support level right now with a lot of other support levels just below it. But we remain above all major moving averages. We make higher swing highs, higher swing lows, so we are still in a defined uptrend. After all, yesterday we hit all-time highs. Of course we are. Be very careful being short in this market. A lot of people who have been short have paid the price as of late. Anyway, just be careful. Even though we do look a little toppy and things could reverse at any time, we are still in uptrend. The Dow, higher swing highs, higher swing lows, uptrend above all major moving averages. We do have a rising wedge, bearish formation, with the bearish divergence on the MACD. NASDAQ, we do have a bearish pennant. Big drop, 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 drop. A pennant, symmetrical triangle type pennant here, fighting moving averages now, but it is pinching, building big time pressure and strength. Look for a breakout or a breakdown. And right now we're in a down leg. Russell's was in a downtrend, then started breaking out, but coming right back down. The question is, will we make a new low? If we do not make a new low, that means we will make a higher low or an equal low. If we make an equal low here to be W, which should be a double bottom trend reversal pattern. If we step up, meaning that going into the rest of the week, we start going bullish, that will be a step up, and that will be an inverted head and shoulders as far as the Russells is concerned. And take a look here at gold. Gold now is a partial buy. We do have a triangle. It did break out today above resistance. If we see more upside potential here, gold is a buy. Silver, same thing, broke a trend line. You guys don't see it. Let me add that trend line in here. So that trend line would be right there. Line chart, you can see it, resistance, 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 broke resistance. So we are calling silver a partial buy. Apple is a break even, still building this high base area. One thing that to note, I hate these middle V's on a high base. We get this high base and then this V pops up in bases again. A lot of time this little V in the middle of a base turns out to be very bearish, almost like a double top reversal pattern. So I don't like this V shape right now. If it starts to base again, that would be bad news. Amazon down 2%. So we had a buy down here, it's pulled up. Now we're starting to relax and pull back. We could be building our double bottom. Be watching for this. Facebook off 1%. No problem though, it's popped up, hanging out up here. Google has popped up, a little pullback getting ready to happen. LinkedIn popped up here, a little pullback. We're just looking like we're trying to put in our bottom on NASDAQ. This is Microsoft. stalled. Twitter off by 1.6%. It's hitting this resistance and then dropping. I said this was a good short. I thought today would have been a big drop here. We just didn't see it. And it would probably behoove me to say tomorrow night we're doing our big famous program on gaps and trend reversals. Tomorrow night, it's free. Come in, click on one of these times and dates. It's best for you. And it's the only time we're doing it. We only do this class once a month or so, so you don't want to miss it. And you know, like this gap, what type of gap is that? Is that a continuation gap or a reversal gap? Is this a, what type of, there's different gaps and you want to know what those are. I talked about double bottoms, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, step ups. There's trend reversals you need to know. We'll be teaching that in the class, so no excuse not to be in that class. Hope to see you there. Take care, safe trading, share this video with a friend.